Alright, yo, what's up guys, Sora here. Today, KickWho sent me shoes, but first real quick, I'm gonna show their website off, and yeah, show you how to use my code and all that. All this stuff will be in the description below. You guys will see, I'm gonna show you how to get the shoes that I just got, that they sent me, how to buy them and use my code and stuff. But yeah, here's the website. This is the first thing you'll see. These came here in a week, maybe less. Like, these were here mad quick. Of course, you can get quality checks, but I already know these dudes do good quality shoes, so I didn't want to waste time. I kind of just wanted the shoes to get here so I just skipped the quality check. So that probably helped too. But even with the quality check, less than 7 business days, and they'll be here. It's because they do have a U.S. warehouse, which is crazy. Most shoes do not have that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the shoes I got. So this is all their US warehouse stuff. So I just went here to Jordan's, and these are the ones I got. They're 120. These shoes retail are 600 plus, and you can get them for 120. You guys will see when I show the unboxing after this. These shoes are perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. It's insane. But yeah, so you go here if you wanted these shoes. These are shoes that I'm gonna be unboxing. But if you wanted these shoes, you'd go here, select your size, whatever size you are. Blah blah blah. Let's do that. Add to cart, and you're here, right? And you go check out. Okay, so you'll put in this code Sora. You'll click enter. It's not working right now, but by the time the video's up, it will be up, and you'll get money off your order. Again, this is for 2 shoes, so it is a little bit more expensive. You choose the way to pay. Blah blah blah, and then click continue, and then boom. What you would want to do is do the quick shipping. That's the fastest way to do it. But yeah, that's the fastest way to get the shoe. But yeah, this is their brand. They have clothes, shoes, everything. You'll get it. They have a U.S. warehouse. You'll get them really quickly. If you wanted to see the reviews real quick, there was some on the shoes part, but I'm trying to find them real quick. This is all they're about them, but yeah, the reviews are legit. You'll see the shoes, trust me. Their shoes are great. They'll come here quick. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, you guys already saw the website review, but yeah, these are the shoes they sent me to review for you guys. They are the Break by Break Jordan 4s. And yeah, this is the box. Yes, it says bikey. That's the point. It's supposed to be a brick. So yeah, the box looks good. I already looked up videos to review how one-to-one they are. These things are one-to-one. I'll show you guys the box at the end now. But when you open it, this is what you're gonna see. Here the shoes are. They're so beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna move the box out the way and just get the shoes out for you guys. Here we go. These are both the shoes. I don't exactly know what this is, but yeah, that's there. But then they do give you a pair of Nike Jordan white laces for these, which would be tough to interchange them and stuff. So yeah, that's cool. So they do give you that, and then these are the shoes. I'll just do some I'll just show you guys the normal legit checks people use, which is that going diagonal, which you can see it does go diagonal. And the toe box, you can see it comes back up. And reps, so once you press it down, they'll stay down. And the stitching is good. I'll bring them close for you guys. I have other 4s that are real, and I'm not gonna lie, I could not tell you these were fake though. It's kind of crazy. But here's the other shoe. You guys can see them, there's no difference between each shoe. The Nike at the bottom. I don't know how well you guys can hear that, but it sounds like a normal shoe, you know. The stars are usually something people check too. I don't know how well you can see them. I'm trying to get it to focus, because some rep companies will get lazy on those, but not these, But again, as I was saying in the website review, use code SOAR and stuff. All that stuff will be in the description below as well. But The shoes, oh, the tongue too. The tongue is actually thick. I've gotten some bad reps before. Like, imagine this shoe, but without all this inside, like, cushion, I guess. Like, it would just be this part. And it just looks terrible. Like, that's how you get caught wearing reps, I guess. But, yeah, and the suede on the, I don't know if you can see it. It's changed it. Like, it's some good, there's some good reps. But, the laces, I'm telling you, they come like these with white laces would be tough. Oh, the back tab also. It's a good back tab. Same with this one. And again, yes, it says bikey or bike, whatever you want to say, but that's because it's brick. It's brick by brick. They're supposed to resemble bricks. Yeah, I think these real are like 600 retail or like 700. Around there. But yeah, like there's 600, 700 retail on their site. They might be like 130. You guys will see in the website review. That's gonna be before you guys already saw in the website review. That's already before this. But yeah, there are the shoes. Here's them side to side. Now I'm gonna show y'all the box real quick. Well, it comes like the normal shoe stuff, and it comes with 2 bags, and then this is their card thing they sent me. So if you guys want to promote their shoes, you can promote their website, and as it says on here, each sale you get for them, you'll get $2.50. So if you guys want an extra way of making money, you promote them. I'll also have in the description below. You guys saw their website before this as well. Here's the box though. The inside really doesn't matter, but that's like, that would be taken off if you wanted like to look at that. That's the Jordan stuff. And that's it for that part. And inside, it shows like that and stuff from the print, and then right there you can see this print right here. I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, some brands will forget to do that. But yeah, you can tell like this looks legit. Yeah, guys, these are the shoes. I appreciate them for sending me shoes. Please check their website out and use code SORA, so then I can do more of these for you guys. But yeah, other stuff will in the description below. Check them out. And peace, y'all.